Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have Tesla car. This video is very important for you. Nowadays, here in Europe, summer season is going on and some days I feel too much hot in my Tesla car. So that perspective, I'm purchasing new accessories and that accessories name is a retractable glass roof sunset. I'm purchasing this one as usual my favorite online platform Slack. We will see detailed demonstration on my Mac screen. I purchased this accessories from Slack platform and accessories price is $359.99. Apart from this accessories, lot of product are selling Slack platform and that one is very affordable. You should visit the platform and purchase which accessories product you want purchase, especially on your Tesla, no matter which types of model you are using. So now we can see unboxing and after that we can go outside and fix this accessories on my car. Just yesterday I am receiving this accessories, so we can see first of all this is the cover of panel. After fixing the panel you can use this one and cover the panels, and this is the panel. I am receiving two panels for my Tesla Model 3. Oh, it's too heavy. Now box is empty and the box, so hand glove. Inside the box we are receiving two panels, front one and back one, and after that two covers we are receiving, some of the hand gloves and screw as well they are providing if you need it, and the each panel are mentioning here front and back, so accordingly you should fix in your car. Now we can go outside, so we can fix one by one. I just simply fix this one in front cabin. Let's see, look at this here, the fixing point of view. Here the grip is also available. So first of all I fix and then I will show you, but we are fixing first in front one. So this portion going in top position. First of all make sure you insert properly without damage your car or other stuff, so be careful. Insert the car, it's very easy. First of all you just simply insert very easily in front position, and after that back side one you can scroll as a 180 degrees Celsius and put it in this particular portions. So accordingly this video, and it's fixed very easily. It's very easy to set up this one, so I will show you. Look at this here, this is the front one. I fixed properly and you can close it like this, and here one grip is here as it is simultaneously same one. First of all you should insert this position there, and after that you can release this pin and put it here. You can scroll down properly there and then insert here as it is, and that one is very fixed, same as it is here as well, and the front position. So you can like this here and here. It's very easy, no need to put it any screw here. Now we can cover using the cover panel. Now this one is a closing, so no one are recognize the screw and some clips. So we are open this one and let's see how exactly fix. The almost is change. I think this one is a back side and this one is a front side, but here is not mentioning, so we can analyze first of all. Otherwise both are no, the both size is a different, so this is the tricky, but we can see here this is a small one. We just check the first position, this one, and let's see how exactly look after one. So we can use this one. One of the important point here, the two sticky. So here this size is two, one small one big, and front is one. So this portion going to here, of course. So we can fix properly first and then I will show you. Yeah, of course and after that you can cover entire area like this. Second thing as it is, yeah, properly fix without without damaging anything. And after that you should open like this and closing like this. The finishing, the proper, this is grip and this side as well, so no sun is coming after fixing this one, and you can very easily close from the driving seat as well. And the finishing you can fix properly afterwards. It's really very easy to fix this one. Perfect. Now we can fix back side. So one of the important point come here, you just simply open the screw here and fix like this, and after this portion going like this. So I just simply fix outside and let's see inside I am able to fix this one or not. So make sure the portions going like this, and accordingly you should fix, put it backside. Because of you need to fix the front one as well. Okay. Oh, okay. That's good. And put it one portion. Perfect. You should fix outside and inside put it. After putting, you should remove one screw, and after that the location is perfectly the same place. You should fix, you can fix screw. The next one is as it is, the two is back side and first is first side. So look at this here, the front one, and this is the back one. I fixed properly here. Look at this, and you can open from this and close like this. Fantastic. This is really nice and little tricky accessories. You can fix outside in the back side position and then open one and then put it inside, and that's it. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.